Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys, any BMW such as 3 Series, 5 Series, X3 and X5 guys, and you have a code P0365, okay, we'll show you guys how to fix that. This is a camshaft position sensor code related to the exhaust side, and we'll explain how we know that and all that stuff. In addition guys, okay, the scanner and everything that we're using will be listed in the description of the video below, all the replacement parts, and you can see where you can buy your parts from for a good price. We also have more than 200 videos guys on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the new videos, like the video and leave a comment below. So let's start on it now. So this is guys the scanner that we'll be using. We'll just connect it to the OBD port of this vehicle. Usually the OBD port on your BMW will be somewhere under the steering wheel, or it will be right here. In our case, okay, it's this thing here. So, okay, now let me show you what needs to be done guys. I'll go ahead and start the car and show you how the engine light is on. Okay, you can definitely feel the car starting a little bit slow when you have that code. Sometimes it may take a while to fire up, because camshaft position sensor is very important for the timing and all that stuff. You may have decreased horsepower as well. It really depends on how it goes bad. I'll go ahead, turn it off now, and we're going to turn the ignition on only guys. Ignition on only. And now, okay, what we'll do, okay, we have the scanner here. Okay, let me explain a little bit about it. Check it out guys, it will be listed in the description of the video below. You can read the lead codes from the engine computer, register batteries. You can access, read and delete codes from the airbag system, ABS and traction control system, and you can just see some of the functions here. So amazing scanner guys. I'll go to the OBD now, click here. Okay, it's connecting now. It's going to take a little bit of time. Now guys, if you have any specific problem with your BMW, don't forget to leave a comment below. That way we'll get an idea what to make a video, our next video to be for. And also one of our subscribers guys can even help you out, because I've seen so many people post a question in the comment section of our videos, and just helping each other out. That's quite interesting thing, because that's how we learn from our experience. So we have codes found, one code. We click OK. Now we're going to select the module, and here guys we click read codes. After that we click stored codes, and the code that we have now it's P0365 Camshaft position sensor B circuit bank 1. Now sensor B means that B is for the exhaust side, sensor A is for the intake. Why? Because the engine first gets fuel and air and through the intake side, and spits everything out later through the exhaust side. So B is always for the exhaust side. I'll go ahead, turn the ignition off now. Okay, turn that ignition off, and we'll show you guys what we need to do now. So this is guys a BMW. That same engine is used in 3, 5 Series, X3, X5, Z3 and Z4 and cars as well. So those will need to be included as well if you have that code. So looking at the engine now guys, you have two camshaft position sensor, one on the intake side, one on the exhaust. The one that we need is right here on the exhaust side. We'll have a video how to replace both of them. I'll just show you quick. Right here, this connector is the one for the exhaust camshaft position sensor. Every time you're close to here, do not start the car, because that fan can cut your fingers off. Okay, make sure, I'll even go ahead and disconnect the car battery to make sure somebody doesn't get in or something to start it, or turn the key on and have your, fingers chopped. So right here, okay, that clip, you remove it by disconnecting these two things. Okay, you push in and pull it out. We have the video how to replace it guys, and check out in the description of the video below. We'll have the new sensors and see where we can buy them from for a good price. And today's video will replace it and see if that fixes the problem. If you want to see the whole replacement video, we have a video for both sensors. It will be on the channel guys, so please do check it out. So we'll go ahead, replace it, and see if the engine light will be gone and if the car will run good again. So everything's replaced. Now that sensor, we put a new one, inspected the connector, everything's fine there. I'm going to go in, we're going to turn the ignition on without starting the car. Okay, and now we're going to reconnect our scanner, okay? And we'll go back and we'll erase the codes. That way, okay, the engine light can be gone and we can forget about it. So it's reconnecting to the computer because we had the ignition off. We go back and we click erase codes now. Enter, confirm. It will say erase done. I will turn the ignition off, start it. Okay, and car fired up, guys. Now you can see it starts and the engine light is not on at all. I'll rev it up. It's pretty quick, nothing out of ordinary, so that definitely fixed our problem. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.